Hello everyone, I am Dr.G.Selvalakshmi, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Sri Sharada College for Women Autonomous, Salem. Today I am going to talk about an important topic, economic systems and sectors of the Indian economy. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is an economy? So, an economy is basically how a country decides to use its resources like land, labor, and capital to produce and distribute goods and services. Now, India's economy has evolved over time. Earlier, it was called an underdeveloped economy. Then it grew into a developing one, and today it's known as a mixed economy. Then the types of economic systems we followed. There are four main types of economic systems. Pure market economy, that is where the market decides everything. It is called pure market economy. Then pure command economy, that is where the government makes all the economic decisions. It is called pure command economy. Some decisions and some traditions and customs based decision is called traditional economy. Then mixed economy, which combines features of both market and command system. It is called mixed economy system. Let's we explore capitalism first. So capitalism is where private individuals own and control property and businesses. The market, that is demand and supply, decides prices and what gets produced. It is called capitalism. The main goal here is getting a profit. As Adam Smith once said, it is not from the kindness of the virtue, but from their own interest that we get out dinner. So some here the capitalistic economy, that is the capital assets such as factories, mines and railroads can be privately owned and controlled. Some pillars of capitalism, that is some key features of capitalism include private property, self-interest, competition, market mechanism, freedom to choose, limited role of government. Then we discuss one by one. The first one is private property, which allows people to own tangible assets such as land and houses and intangible assets such as stocks and bonds. Then self-interest is through which people act in pursuit of their own good. Without regard for socio-political pressure, these uncoordinated individuals end up benefiting society. As if, in the words of Smith, in 1776, the wealth of nations, they were guided by the invisible hand. Then competition through the firm's freedom to enter and exit the markets maximizes social welfare, that is the joint welfare of both producers and consumers is called competition in capitalism country. Then market mechanism that determines prices in the decentralized manner through interactions between buyers and sellers. Prices in turn allocate resources which naturally seek the highest reward, not only for goods and services but for wages as well. Freedom to choose with respect to consumption, production, and investment. Dissatisfied customers can buy different products. Investors can pursue more lucrative ventures. Workers can leave their job for better pay, etc. So the limited role of government means to protect the rights of private citizens and maintain an orderly environment that facilitates proper functioning of markets. Examples of capitalist countries, you think of Hong Kong, Singapore, Switzerland, and Australia as the best example for capitalistic countries. Now let's move on to the socialism. Socialism is all about community decisions and reducing inequality. The government plays a big role in controlling resources and productions. Some benefits of socialism are also discussed here. Uh, the reducing wealth and gap and nationalization of the key industries and social security and minimum wages, the better planning and uses of the resources. These are all the benefits of socialism. Countries like China and Finland and Switzerland and Norway, the good examples of socialistic economy. See here, the some public benefits of socialism has greatest goal of commonwealth. Since the government control almost all of society functions, it can make better use of resources, labors and lands. The excess or insufficient productions can be avoided. The prices can be controlled in a proper extent. So socialism can tackle unemployment to a great extent. And finally, we come into the mixed economy. And this is where India fits in. The mixed economy combines the best of both capitalism and socialism. So you will find both private businesses and government involvement also. Some of the examples, countries of mixed economy here is Russia, India and China, USA and France and UK also following the mixed economy system. Some features of mixed economy also here we discussed. The features are coexistence of all the sectors. For example, in a mixed economy, all the three sectors coexist in harmony. That is the coexistence of private sectors, public sector and joint sectors. The joint sector is jointly run by the government and private companies with at least 51% of the ownership belonging to the state government. Then cooperative sector support is most important for mixed economy. The main aim of the formation of this sector is so that the government can provide financial assistance to cooperative societies. In agricultural, dairy industries, warehousing facilities, etc. is the example for the facilities provided, the assistance provided by the government to the cooperative sectors. Then freedom and control. It means here all the individuals have the freedom to produce goods and products, hold property, choose their occupation and choose and demand the product and services what they exactly want. Then economic planning by the government. So all the sectors of the economy follow the economic plan of the state government to achieve the goals and other things. The plan is not rigid but more of the general guideline for economic growth and prosperity of the nation. Then social welfare. It is a mixed economy mainly focus on social welfare. The main aim is to reduce the wealth gap in the country and fight the inequalities of our society and also reducing the poverty and unemployment. And at the same time also we discussed about some of the merits involved while the government or the country is following the mixed economy system, what are all the benefits they enjoyed? The first benefit is freedom the citizens enjoy, especially the economic freedom to ownership of property and choice of goods and services. Ownership and the existence of private producers also increase capital formation in the country. There is an incentive to do better and innovate as well. So price mechanism also prevails. This will help the economy grow rapidly and in the correct direction. So there is healthy competition in the market. There is no cutthroat competition and adverse tactics due to government oversight. So finally, we conclude for the mixed economy. That is, the India's economy uses a combination of market freedom and government planning to achieve balanced growth and social welfare. And that's what makes it a mixed economy. And thank you for listening. I hope this make economic system a bit clearer and more interesting to you. Thank you once again.